The following message is transmitted at the request of the Department of Homeland Security. There have been reports of many suspicious presents under Christmas trees in several locations across the country. These presents are labeled as from Santa Claus and contain hazardous materials which are capable of serious injury. Santa Claus has gone bad. If you see a suspicious and unfamiliar present labeled as from Santa Claus, do not open it. The contents of these presents are not harmful unless they are opened. Contact your local authorities and follow their instructions on how to proceed with this situation. Please stay tuned to local media outlets for more information.